Single-story home near Walnut, near Colima Road, minutes to 168 Market, Stater Bros and McDonald's. Easy access to 60 and 57 freeways. 1761 Pepperdale Drive, Rowland Heights. Quiet cul-de-sac location. Attached garage. Large driveway. Potential JADU opportunity. Natural light throughout. Cozy fireplace. Spacious kitchen. Peninsula island with seating and storage. Spacious bonus room with separate entrance. Spacious backyard with sunset view. Open house coming soon. Call Sofia Chang for showings.